Hi everyone. So today I'd like to explain how you're going to use Patatap to create your own beat pattern or compose your own music. This is a really cool website, and basically you're going to select a word that you like. Today, my word is going to be dad, and when I type out the word, D sounds like this, A, D, and dad sounds great. He needs a little bit more rhythm. So I'm going to play that word, or I should say tap that word like this, creating a rhythm. And all I did was I took dad and I spelled it like this. D, D, A, D, D, A, D, D, A, D, D, A. And I got that rhythm. You can take any word that you'd like. However, if it's a longer word, like my name is Christina, that's way too long, you would want to keep it down to maybe 4 letters or sounds that you like and arrange them and add in rhythm accordingly. Also, if you'd like to use the same sound bank that I have, right now I'm on the orange red screen. So if you press the space bar, the color changes and so do the sounds. Dad sounds like this in blue. So that is exactly how we use Patatap. And if you would like to, if your teacher would like for you to submit your work, you can go to Screencastify and download that and hit record, and you'll be able to send or email your work. Thanks, guys.